Dear alumni fraternity of REC and NIT Kurukshetra, President NIT Kurukshetra Alumni Association, Secretary NIT Kurukshetra Alumni Association, organizing team of this wonderful event, ladies and gentlemen, I trust you are all safe and doing well during these difficult times. I am glad to share that our institute is participating in Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Summit, inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister on 2nd October. The summit aims to bring overseas and the resident Indian researchers and academics under a common platform. Unfortunately, one of the sessions under this summit coincides with today's event. In the light of the same, I regret I will not be able to attend today, and I will not be able to enjoy with all of you this wonderful event, and certainly I will be missing you all and the golden opportunity where I could have enjoyed your company and this event. However, I would like to give my heartiest congratulations to the organizers of this event, in particular the batch of 1966, on this wonderful occasion of the 50th anniversary of Sandhu Night. I have been told that this night was originally celebrated in 1971. This is definitely a great initiative to recreate and celebrate, and a milestone laid by this particular batch. It has been my honor to serve NIT Kurukshetra for the past 4 years and being the patron of Alumni Association. I also got the privilege to interact with the alumni of the institute over the past few years. Institute take pride in the fact that you all have been doing a great job for the institute and for the country. And I am very sure that this institute will continue to have your generous support in all its future endeavor as well. I heartily welcome you all to visit your alma mater anytime you deem fit. We would love to have you here in this wonderful and beautiful campus. Once again, congratulations everybody, and I wish a wonderful time here and enjoy. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.